My friends are in quarantine because, you know, this corona situation. So I have to make them stay safe, but baby Trump is not, but well, that's okay. I mean,
I'm not a baby.
you know.
I'm not a baby.
Welcome back. My name is Miss Remake, and today I'm gonna teach you how to be your own Christmas decoration. So you will use an old Christmas sweater and some LED lights. So basically, I'm gonna put the light inside of the sweater to make the sweater very, how can I say, like sparkling, shiny, and you will become a Christmas decoration. So it's very easy. The thing with these kind of LED lights, I will just show how it's working, you see. So you put like these small lamps inside of the sweater. I will actually start doing it very close to the Christmas tree. So I will just put it inside. Through the holes, and then I'm just bending it to make it stay. Then I just take the second one and I'm just following the shape, more or less. Bending it. Then I take the next light. So it's very, very easy. And I will not destroy this sweater, and you can just remove it anytime. And of course, if anybody thought that you could wash it with this inside, I wouldn't recommend it at all. So of course you have to remove it before you wash it. So I'm halfway through here. I can just show it a little bit. Put it on. See? Like this. So I would just continue. So, I mean, my recommendation is to follow some kind of shape on your sweater, or make it like some kind of sparkly snow around something. I mean, it depends on how your sweater looks like, but that's one way to do it.
I could do it so much better. Ooh.
What's this smell? It smells like somebody. It smells like shit. Oh my god. Donnie!
Ooh.
You have to tell me when you need to go to the bathroom.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Whoopsie.
I see I forgot to put your diaper on, but I mean,
Fake
come on,
news.
man.
Fake news, everybody.
I guess I will have to take out the trash later. What can you say?
I'm the president of the world. I'm the president
Such a baby.
of the world. I'm the president of
He's
the
such
world.
a baby.
I'm the president.
Well,
I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby.
So it's actually finished right now, and I would just turn it on, the light. So you can see something from there. You can see. Look. I'm very delighted. What about you, baby?
I'm not a baby.
Johnny?
I'm not a baby. I'm the president of the world. I'm the president of the world.
I mean, what did I expect, really, seriously? At least my girls like it. I would just try it on. So this is how it looks on, and you can see the light, but I will make it darker so you will see it better. So now I am a Christmas decoration, and I can light up the room and make it really sparkling. So from some of us, not all of us, but from some of us, I would like, and we would like to wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas. See you soon. Send me your videos of your remake tricks and I will post them on my Instagram, Miss Remake. See ya! Bye!